Hello everybody, this is Javier Hernandez, barber instructor at the Barber Education Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to easily and safely test your shears for sharpness. All that you need to test your shears for sharpness is your shears and some neck strips. I'm going to do the demonstration on 3 pairs of thinning shears and 3 pairs of hair cutting shears, so you can tell the difference between a bad pair of shears and some good ones. Now this is an example of what a thinning shear should not do on the neck strip. It folds or bends the neck strip rather than to cut it. On the second demonstration of these thinning shears, you will see how the thinning shears does cut through the neck strip, but it does not cut an even or a precise cut through the neck strip. On this third example of the thinning shears cutting through the neck strip is a perfect example of what the thinning shears should do when you cut through the neck strip. You can see each teeth marked on the neck strip, nice and precise. On this first example of the hair cutting shears, you will see how the hair cutting shears does not go all the way through the neck strip, it just folds it and bends it. In this second demonstration of the hair cutting shears, you will see how the hair cutting shear will not go all the way through the neck strip, only when apply pressure, wanting to force the hair cutting shears to cut through the neck strip. On this third demonstration of the hair cutting shears is a perfect example of what the hair cutting shears should look like when it cuts through the neck strip. When cutting with the shears on the neck strip, the shears shouldn't have to be held with pressure, it just goes easily, and you can tell in the neck strip how even and uniform it cuts right through it. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please stay tuned for more.